Good morning, children. In all our past videos, we studied lots about the lives of fishermen and fisherwomen. It was indeed a very big chapter. And children, now there is one part of the chapter which we have not covered, and that is large numbers. So, we are going to have a series of videos where I am going to teach different aspects of large numbers, like their place value, face value, reading large numbers, writing large numbers, and so on so forth. So children, we are going to start with Indian system of numeration. In this system, we are going to read the numbers the way Indians read the numbers. This system is not understood by the foreigners. The reason is that in this system we use lakhs and crores. Now these two words, lakhs and crores, have been borrowed from the Hindi language, and in Hindi we call them lakh crore. So let us see what all we are going to cover in this video. Indian system of numeration. How Indians read large numbers. Let us start with this. And I know that in class 4 you have studied till lakhs, the place of lakhs. There you have already studied. Let us revise and move forward. Children, you have to first of all learn the Indian system of numeration so that you can read the large numbers comfortably. How you have to learn? You have to read the places many times, like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So children, in this system of numeration, the first 3 places, I have made them in light green color because they are under one's period. These are all periods. So you can consider that one's period is like a house in which there are 3 members, 1, 10, 100. So there is another neighbor whose name is 1,000. This is a separate house. And in this house, again, there are 2 members, 1,000, 10,000. Then in the row of houses, there is another house and the name is lakh. And in this house, again, we have 2 members, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. When we move forward, we get to see another house whose name is crores. And in crores, we have 1 crore and 10 crore. This is how the places are there in periods. So I revise once again. First is the ones period. In ones period, we have 3 places. So 3 digits can fit in ones period. 1, tens and 100. Then we have thousands period. Here we can have 1,000 and 10,000. Then we have lakhs period. Here we can have 1 lakh, 10 lakh. After that we have crores period where we will have 1 crore and 10 crore. This is how the Indian system of numeration works. Now children, this we have shown you the table. When you have to write the numbers without the table, then when one period finishes and the other period starts, for example here, a comma will come. Again, here a comma will come and here a comma will come. Commas show that one period has finished and the other period is starting. And the position of commas is extremely important in reading and writing the number names. This I am going to show you in my other slides. Okay, let us move ahead. Okay, in this slide, children, you can see the place value chart. All these numbers I have written in a place value chart. When I read the numbers, it becomes easy if the numbers are written in a place value chart. But this place value chart will not be available to us in real life. In real life, we have to read the numbers without the place value chart. But don't worry. Once you get the hang of it, it will be very easy to read the numbers. Okay, I'm going to teach you now how to read these numbers. And till here, till lakhs, we have already done in class 4. So children, the two digits which are there in lakhs period, these two digits have to be read together. So you are going to read it like this: 35 lakh 72,450. Now children, 7 and 2 are in thousands period. 2 is in 1000's place and 7 is in 10,000's place. So 72,000 is how it is supposed to be read. I am reading the number once again. 35 lakh 72,450. These type of numbers you have already done in class 4. Now let us move to the next level. That is when the numbers are slightly bigger and we have to use the crores period also. Okay, now this number has 8 in 1 crore place. So I am going to read it like this: 8 crore 79 lakh 53,027. Here, if you note, there is 0 at hundreds period. When here it was 4 in hundreds period, we read it 450. Now there is no need to say 0,127 because 0,100 means 0, nothing. So we just skip saying that and I read the number once again. Please pay attention. 8 crore 79 lakh 53,027. Okay, let us graduate to still bigger number. Here we have 6 in 10 crores place and 5 in 1 crores place. So 6 and 5 are in crores period. So 6 and 5 need to be read together. How are we going to read this? 65 crore 8 lakh 41,503. Here again you have seen there is another 0, but this time 0 is at the tens place. So like we have read 50, 27, we haven't read anything for tens. We have just read 503. Why? Because 0 tens we don't need to say. Okay children, now in this there is 6 in crores period, 5 also is there in crores period. So 6 and 5 are there in crores period and we need to read 6 and 5 together. So I'm reading the number 65 crore 8 lakh 41,503. I repeat, 65 crore 8 lakh 41,503. Children, here there is nothing, zero. Zero means nothing at 10 lakhs place. So I read it as not as 08 lakh, but I just read it as 8 lakh. There is no need to say 08 lakhs. Same way, there is a zero here in tens place. And that is the reason I read it 503. I repeat the whole number again. 65 crore 8 lakh 41,503. Okay. Now, once more, we have to read another large number. And in this large number, we have 8 at 10 crores place and we have 3 at 1 crores place. So 8 and 3 we need to read together. I read the number 83 crore 42 lakh 65,710. So this is how we are supposed to read the numbers. Children, I would suggest run the video again so that this concept becomes clear to you. Once you revisit the concept, things will become clear and you will not make mistakes while reading or writing large numbers. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.